Just a quick video on the multi uses of the Migui's ultimate compound. I used it in an old video to remove a scratch, and I've done this before, and I just thought I'd video it again. My son's washing this car. It's to get rid of the foggy lens. I'm not sure if you can see that. It might. It's a bit sunny out here, but there's the lens all fogged up, and that's a bit that I cleaned with the Migui's. So it's pretty good. This thing here, I don't know how old it is. I bought it years ago, and it's still going strong. I'm just going to put a little bit on my cloth here, and I'll do small sections at a time. The car's been washed, and that lens is just got a caked on film, and as you can see, that's beautiful, and it's quick. I've seen other videos about using WD-40 and stuff like that. Never ever had to. I've just used this Migui's, and a little bit goes a long way. Thanks for watching.